Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Very exciting day today. August 23rd, I just got my Galaxy Fold 4 in. I traded in my S22 Ultra for this because I just couldn't pass up on the offer. I know I said I wasn't going to do that, but I only paid $800 for my S22 Ultra, and they were offering $1,000 for trade-in, plus the good deal of a free case. I got the Watch 5 for free, and a free S Pen case, so can't beat that. I had to pick one up with that. It was almost like $2,400 worth of stuff for $799, and that was with getting the 512 gigabyte storage option. So just, I couldn't beat the deal, so I had to get one during pre-order. So here is the phone. We'll just put that to the side. I saw some unboxings where like this is like glued down to the bottom of the box and it doesn't stay down there. So that's supposed to be the bottom of the box. But there we go. Here is the phone. We'll take a look at that in a second. And then everything else is going to be on the top side of the box. So make sure you don't throw that away. Not that you get much anymore in the box these days, but you do get a C2C cable, a SIM tool, and your quick start guide right here. So just hold on to those. If you get the unlocked version, you'll probably need the SIM tool to put your SIM card in. So that is all you get in the box for your couple $1,000 phone here. But here we go. This is the Graygreen, like I said, 512 gigabyte version. Okay. There is that inner display and our outer display right here. Very, very satisfying fold. Definitely smaller hinge for my Fold 3. Much easier to kind of like hold in the hand like that. Not that the other one was wide or anything like that, but the hinge kind of just protruded out, so it's a lot more comfortable to hold just like that. So that is the Fold 4. This is just an unboxing video. I'm going to have a bunch of videos on accessories coming soon. The Samsung S Pen case, some stuff from Spec, and some stuff from Whitestone Dome as well. And then I will obviously do some reviews of the phone after I've had some time to use it and play around with it. But for now, this is just unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.